everybody, welcome back to another video today, and today's video is going to be a review video of the extreme exclusive Skin Frost palette that Jeffree Star launched in his Christmas box. I am super excited that I was somebody who was able to get this box because I guess a lot of people were having a lot of problems at checkout. I really hope that Jeffree Star can work on his website and make it a lot better, especially for future launches, because so many people missed out on the Conspiracy palette because his website crashed. Now, I do understand his website crashed because there was so much traffic on there. No website could have handled that. I fully understand that. But also at the same time, when your website even crashed for the mystery box launch, I was like, Jeffree, come on! So yeah, you guys, I am very thankful and blessed that I was able to luck out and get one of these. And this was an exclusive highlighting item that he had in his biggest box, which was the deluxe box. And that was $100. And I said, you know what, I missed out on the Halloween box. I wanted that one so bad. So I said, I'm going to treat myself to the Christmas one. And I'm very excited that I did, because I got this fun little exclusive item that I really hope that he doesn't turn into a permanent line, because people were attacking him for this. And it's like, you guys, come on. So many people missed out on the Halloween mystery box. I don't have anything from that box, so I missed out on everything that was in that box. I didn't attack him for that. Just please be thankful for what you do get, and people just don't seem to understand that. So yeah, you guys, let me shut my mouth and let's get into this video. So this is what the packaging of this looks like. It just says Jeffree Star and his famous logo. And then it says Peppermint Frost Skin Frost Pro Palette. And then it says it in another language. And then off to the back, it just says, beauty tips. This product is versatile and can be used on the face, body. Apply with a brush of your choice. Let yourself shine. A little goes a long way. That is one thing that I do want to say is Jeffree Star's highlighters are a legit bomb. I love his highlighters. I own 4 of his actual highlighters, and then I own his palette, and then now I own this bad boy. Alright, you guys, I'm officially deceased. I seriously love the packaging of this. He made it look like a peppermint, and I'm seriously obsessed with this. He even threw a straw in there that looks just like this, and it looks so cute in my Coca-Colas. It's so cute. It just looks so Christmassy to me. So this is what the front of it looks like. And then the back of it. And then of course it has his Instagram and YouTube and all that great stuff. Alright, you guys, here is the product. This is what we're looking at. I really hope this is looking at you guys and I'm not messing this up. You guys, he seriously took time to make just this little palette, you guys. Like, it has a locking mechanism. I mean, come on, he didn't even have to do that. And then the inside of it is just super, super gorgeous. You have the Jeffree Star logoing with little Christmas snowflakes. And then here are the shades, you guys. So we have Ugly Sweater right here, which legit looks like peppermint bark. And then we have an Igloo Gold, which is just a really pretty gold shimmer. And then we have Chocolate Ice that looks like hot cocoa. And one other thing he said is this palette smells just like peppermint. And you guys, it does smell like peppermint. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to swatch these bad boys. So the first one I'm going in with is Peppermint Sweater. And my God, it does smell like peppermints. Alright, so that is Ugly Sweater. That's what that looks like swatched. Just a really pretty shimmery gold color is what I'm getting. Great for the holidays. And then here is Igloo Gold. Just a really pretty gold. I wanted to show you guys before I destroyed my pans that I'm doing. So here is that one. And then we have chocolate ice. Alright, boom! Look at chocolate ice, you guys. That is a bam gold in your face. So I'll let you guys see those. Alright, so that's what they look like swatched. So now we're going to apply them to our face. Alright, so you guys are pretty zoomed in on my face. I so apologize if I have any boogers hanging out of my nose or any other creature cactuses growing off my face. Anything to that wonderful nature. So, I actually want to go in with Ugly Sweater, which is this really pretty color right here, you guys. And I think that's the only one that I'm really going to apply to my face because I kind of showed you guys the swatches so you guys kind of have a good idea. The brush I love to use is, of course, Morphe X Jeffree Star, and this is the JS4 brush. I own everything Jeffree Star. I have a problem. Is there a Jeffree Star rehab? Because I need to check myself in. So I always like to just use this fluffy brush. It is a little extra fluffy because I threw it in the washing machine and I think it kind of destroyed it. But I do love going in with this brush for my highlight because it's an amazing brush for highlight. Alright. Oh, girl. I'm deceased, you guys. And not only is it flattering, but I smell like peppermints. So, when I want to be cute, and he wants to kiss on my face, he'll be smelling that peppermint, girl. Girl, I'm deceased with this. I've seen so many people online trying to sell these, and it's like, why did you even waste your money trying to buy the deluxe box when all you want to do is take his products that he's worked hard for? And why would you want to do that? Like, you own something that is exclusive that he made that he'll never bring back to his line, but because of idiots like you guys who are sitting there taking it on eBay, selling it, and all that crap, this could become unexclusive, which means it would become permanent on his line, and then it would just no longer be interesting no more. Like, you could actually sit back and say, damn, I actually own something that nobody else in this world has, except for the few lucky people that had the deluxe box. Girl, stop. So yeah, you guys, I am blown away by this. I actually really enjoy this, and I think I'll get a lot of use out of this during the holiday season. I can't stop sniffing it. It smells so good. It smells like peppermints, and it's not like an overpowering peppermint. It's subtle. Yes, it's not like boom when you open up a mint peppermint thing. It's like boom in your face. This is very subtle. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big huge thumbs up. We're almost to 600 subscribers, and if we reach 600 subscribers, I have a special announcement. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big huge thumbs up, and as always, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes, and I'll see you soon in my next video. You're beautiful. Stay true to yourself. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise.